What's going on, you guys? We're back again with a demo, comparison video of these firecrackers right here. We got cutting edge, supercharged, maximum low firecrackers, and world-class firecrackers, class crackers. All right, we're gonna put them side by side and see which one's the loudest. All right, it's a little windy, but here we go. We'll try the class crackers first. Let's see how they perform. Now, for the cutting edge. Whoa. I don't know. You guys leave a comment. Tell me what you think, man. I don't know. I think the cutting edge one kind of beat them by, kind of edged them out on that one. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching.